15, 5 upon 3x plus 1 plus 3 upon 3x minus 1 is equal to 8 upon 3x. Now, these are not single digits. There are two terms here. So when you are finding LCM like this, just put them in a bracket. Like put this in the bracket, put the second one in a bracket, and then this is LCM divided by denominator. So beta, this LCM, which is 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1, when you divide with this denominator, divide means this is what you are doing. So 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 will get cut and you will be left with 3x minus 1. So 5 has to be multiplied with 3x minus 1 plus. Same LCM divided by denominator, minus minus will get cut. You will be left with plus this value and it has to be multiplied with 3. 5 into 3x is 15x, 5 ones are 5, 3 into 3x is 9x, 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 8 upon 3x. Now how did I solve this? 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1. First term is same, the second term is same. In one bracket it is plus and in other bracket it is minus. So here I am using the identity a plus b, a minus b. The result is a square minus b square. The first term is a square, a, so it's a square minus the second term is b, so it's b square. So 3 square is 9 and x square is x square and square of 1 is 1 only. Here for the numerator, 15x and 9x becomes 24x and 5 and 3 minus 5 and plus 3, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract sign of the bigger number, minus. Now single fraction and single fraction. Again it's cross multiplication to be done. This 3x will be multiplied with these two terms and 8 will be multiplied with these two terms. Put them in the bracket. 3x into 24x is 72x square because x into x is x square. 3x into 2 is 6x plus minus is equal to 8 into 9x square is 72x square plus minus minus 8 ones are 8. This is a little bit not clear. This is minus beta. This is minus. So now keep all the x terms on one side, whether it's with power 1 or it is with power 2. Keep them on the same side. And here we have minus 8. Now plus 7x square and minus 7x square, 72x square, sorry. These two will get cut. And you are left with minus 6x is equal to minus 8. This is actually minus 6x is equal to minus 8. And now keeping x here only and taking this minus 6 which is being multiplied to the other side and it has to divide. But beta, this minus 6 will not become plus 6 because the major operation between 6 and x is multiplication. So we have to only shift multiplication to division. Don't change this plus minus because that is only done if it is in this way. This type of plus 6 becomes minus 6. And now minus and minus sign gets cut. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. The answer, the value of x is equal to 4 upon 3. Number 18, single fraction is equal to single fraction. Cross multiply directly. Two terms to be multiplied with two terms, put both in the bracket. Two terms to be multiplied with two terms, put both in the bracket. Here I am using the in-out method, which means when there are two brackets to be multiplied, one term of one bracket has to be kept in and the other bracket has to be kept. This is I am keeping out and this bracket I am keeping in. Now whichever bracket you choose to keep in will always remain in till all the terms of the outer bracket remain, finish it off. So first this is out, this is in, plus 1 is out and this is in. Both done, finished. Same here. I am going to take this out and this one in. 2x out, this in, minus 3 out and this in. Now multiply whatever is out with the inner values. 2 is 4 and x is x square. 2x into 1 is 2x. Multiply 1 into 2x is 2x. Plus and minus is minus. 1 ones are 1. 2 into 2x is 4x square. Plus minus minus. 2x into 3 is 6x. Minus 3 2 is 6x. Minus minus plus 3 3 is 9. Keep all the x values on one side, whether it is with power 1 or with power 2. Keep them on the same side. This is x squares. Now plus 4x square and minus 4x, because when you're shifting you are changing the signs also. Plus to minus. This gets cancelled. This minus 2x and plus 2x, this also gets cancelled. And 6x and 6x both are plus, it becomes 12x is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. Keeping x here. And this 12 which was being multiplied, shifted to the other side, it has to divide. Now I'm cutting with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. The value of x is equal to 5 upon 6. Next is number 19. This is single fraction is equal to 6 upon 7. So directly we are using the cross multiplication method. 7 is to be multiplied with these three terms, and 6 has to be multiplied with these terms. Now multiply. 7 into 4x is 28x. 7 3s are 21, plus minus minus. 7 9x is 63x is equal to 6 into 7 is 42, plus minus minus. 6 into 5x is 30x, plus minus minus. 6 into 2x is 12x. Next, keeping all x terms on one side and keeping the constants to the other side. First you add the positives. 28 is plus, 30 is plus, and 12 is plus. On adding all this, 28 and 30 is 58, 58 and 12 is 70, and plus 70 and minus 63 is 7x, and 42 minus 21 is 21. Keep x here, take 7 to the other side. Multiplication becomes division. Now do the cutting. 7 1 7 3. The value of x is equal to 3.